हाय, नमस्ते बच्चों। कैसे हो? खुश है ना? हैप्पी है ना? ओके, वेलकम बैक टू हिंदी क्लास। ओके बच्चों, आज हम एक नया टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे। उसका नाम है अपूर्व अनुभव। उसका नाम है अपूर्व अनुभव। अनुभव मानो एक्सपीरियंस। अपूर्व मानो फर्स्ट वन, पूर्व मानो बिफोर दिस didn't happen. Okay, it means the first experience. Okay बच्चों, who is our real friend? Real friend. Have you heard the proverb friend in need is friend indeed? Yeah. हमारी मुसीबत के समय, डिफिकल्टी के समय हमारे साथ कौन होता है? Who will be with us? That is our real friend. Am I right? Okay बच्चों, इस पाठ में यह पाठ एक संस्मरण है। संस्मरण मानो पास्ट इंस्टेंट को याद करना, मेमोराइज करना, वो तो संस्मरण है। एक जापानीज स्टोरी को ट्रांसलेट कर दिया है। यहाँ लेखिका, हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट तोतो-chan, one Japanese girl? Have you heard the name? Anywhere? Totto-chan? No? Okay, we will study this lesson. Okay. How is our school? Our school, we have a gate, we have a classroom, we have a timetable. Am I right? First period maths, second period English, third period Hindi. It is coming like that, no? But Totto-chan, she was studying Tomoe, Japanese. This is Japanese story. She was there in Japan. Okay? उसके स्कूल में हमारे स्कूल जैसा नहीं है. It's not like our school. Their school is like a train compartment, and they have their own one tree, like a gate, one tree. Every children have tree. पेड़ होता है, समझा? So they can study upon their choice only. Nobody will compel them. Do you like that one? Yeah. Okay. Totto-chan, she's a small girl, and she had a friend. One day, she planned to help her friend. In there, they have their own tree, and if anybody like to climb other's tree, they want to ask some permission. Very politely, they want to ask, माफ कीजिए, क्या मैं अंदर आ सकूं? May I come in? They want to ask like this. लेकिन Totto-chan had a friend named Yasuki-chan. What's the name? Yasuki-chan. She can't climb the tree because she had polio. Have you heard this is polio vaccine? Small babies are taking one drop of polio every year. Have you heard that? Yeah, polio. So she don't have. फायर नहीं है, फायर मानो लक नहीं है। तो Totto-chan ने एक डेंजरस, एक रिस्की, मीन्स एक एडवेंचर्स करने को तैयार किया। कैसे? माँ से नहीं बोला, घर में किसी से नहीं बोला। एक दिन उसने एक प्लान किया। एक दिन यासुकी-chan को अपने पेड़ पर चढ़ाने को प्रयत्न करूंगी। वो ठान लिया मानो डिसाइड। उसके बाद किसी से ना बोला, बहुत सीक्रेट था। और एक दिन दोपहर के समय वो घर से निकला और माँ ने पूछा, वेयर आर यू गोइंग? उसने झूठ बोला, चिल्लाई। क्या कहा ना? माँ, मैं एक मित्र को, आई वॉन्ट टू सी माई फ्रेंड। झूठ बोलकर, लाई बोलकर उसने घर से निकला। ऑल द वे शी मेट अदर फ्रेंड रॉकी। Rocky asked, where are you going? Then Totto-chan told, don't say to anybody, it's a very secret. I am going to Yasuki-chan's home and I want to help her in my climb. Rocky wondered, how you will do? She has a pole, you know. But Toto, no, I want, because she has so desire to climb up the tree. So she went. Nobody don't know. It's a secret now. She went to school that time with the Yasuki, and Yasuki also don't know. And she, that's surprise. Yasuki don't know what she is doing. She informed Yasuki, come with me. He followed with me and accompanied with me, and they reached the school, reached the tree. Then Toto told, I will help you to climb the tree. Yasuki wondered, how? I can't. I will help you. किसी प्रकार she took one ladder. Ladder, you know ladder? She took one ladder from there and she helped her to climb. She told, just one step, with one leg you can climb up. Yasuki took one step. Then how will take another step? She's so sad. She looked at Toto. Toto told, you can. She told, no. Then I will help you. Slowly, Toto-chan is a small girl. Compared to Yasuki, Toto is a small girl, but she helped Yasuki. Slowly she helped her to climb up the tree, and at last they reached the branch. Oh, what a happy now. Oh, wonder, Yasuki-chan wondered. That was her real and first and unforgettable moments in the life. Yasuki, she saw whole surroundings from above the tree, and she wondered. Toto, no, she felt so happy. Why? She helped her friend, handicapped friend. No, she was so happy. So here, after sitting there, Yasuki told, do you know about television? Toto said, television? वो क्या है? What is a television? It is like a dibba. My friend, she is in America. She told that we can see Gusti from that small dibba, yeah, box. And Toto wondered, that is her अपूर्वानुभव. Whose? Toto's अपूर्वानुभव वो टेलीविजन था. यासुकी का अपूर्वानुभव क्या था? वो पेड़ पर चढ़ रहा. वो स्वप्न में भी वो सोचता नहीं. She never think about this one. Which one? Climb on the tree. समझा बच्चों? यहाँ एक रियल फ्रेंडशिप का उदाहरण है. तोतो-chan की वो अपने मन में जो प्यार है फ्रेंड्स के साथ, वो प्यार है, वो यहाँ देख सकते. वी कैन सी दैट. ओके बच्चों, तो विकलांग मित्रों को सहायता करना ही हमारा कर्तव्य है. समझा? तो एक सच्चा दोस्त या सच्ची दोस्ती वाला फ्रेंडशिप क्या है, इस पार्ट से हम देख सकते हैं. समझा बच्चों? यहाँ एक अपूर्व अनुभव नामक इस पाठ में लेखिका अपने बचपन को याद कर, बचपन मानो चाइल्डहुड की एक स्टोरी को याद करते एक लिखा है. समझा बच्चों? तो इस पाठ तुम 2 बार पढ़ना है और अपने फ्रेंड्स को, दोस्त हु नीड्स हेल्प फ्रॉम अस, यू शुड हेल्प. ओके बच्चों, तो अगली क्लास में मिलेंगे. ओके बच्चों, बाय. धन्यवाद.